Welcome back to That's So Raven on the Sequoia News Network. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Giselle, and here's this week's announcement.
Sequoia's first home game of the season is this Friday against Cappuccino. JV will be playing at 4, and Varsity's game will start at 7:30. Come support our team.
This year, Club Day will be on Friday, September 17th. Make sure to check your school email account for details on how to register or renew a club for the 2021-2022 school year.
If your club or organization needs financial assistance, consider applying for a PTSA Mini-Grant. Grants of up to $750 are available, and funding for mini-grants is provided by the Sequoia High School Education Foundation. The application window for submitting grants will remain open until October 4th. More information can be found on the mini-grant page of the PTSA website.
The application period for the California Scholarship Foundation is open until Thursday, September 16th at 3:45. Visit the College and Career Center CSF webpage for more instructions.
If you're in need of extra help with your math class, please stop by Mr. Yazurski's after-school math tutorial on Mondays 4 to 7 p.m. in room A5. All students are welcome.
Both the Youth Advisory Board and Peer Mediators are groups organized by the TRC that focus on making our campus an even better place. If you're interested in either of these clubs, please reach out to Alicia Cece or come by the Teen Resource Center for an application. This has been That's So Raven on the Sequoia News Network.
I'm Ethan.
And I'm Giselle. And from all of us here at SNN, stay classy, Sequoia.